Hey everybody, I'm John Everts from California Leasing. Welcome back to Premier Listings. I'm here again with my friend Mary Ness. How are you?
I'm doing really good. How are you?
You're doing really good because guess what? You have another listing. And this one's pretty cool. This has got some interesting stuff about it that I'm excited to talk about. So tell us about this Lancaster home.
Well, it's a really special property because everybody is so concerned with monthly payments and interest rates. And this is a VA loan, assumable at 3.75% fixed for 30 years. Has a small balance on that loan, will bring your monthly payment right where you need to be with a fantastic fixed rate of 3.75%.
Yeah, that's
what is
very hard to find.
Exactly. And for a lot of the veterans out there, this is the right for them. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, has downstairs bedroom and full bathroom, which a lot of people need, plus a loft, a large yard. You know, it's a great property.
And how much is it?
We are listing at $480,000.
Yeah, $480,000. So this is crazy. So for $480,000, you're getting a newer home. It's not new, but it's not old.
Yeah, built in the 2000s.
Five bedroom, 3 bath, over 2,600 square feet on a nice sized lot at 3.75%.
Yeah, and that number, I don't know when we're going to get 3.75%.
Maybe never.
Again.
Who knows? I mean, it might not be in my lifetime, you know. A big covered, full covered patio with this whole stamped concrete area here for barbecues and all that stuff. This is a great house. This is a great listing.
Yeah, I mean, you search out there, you look out there, and most buyers nowadays are so concerned about the interest rates.
Because it drives the monthly payment.
Exactly, and this monthly payment will be extremely affordable.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's for a veteran only, because the seller wants to keep his benefits. He wants to keep his VA. So we are only looking for VA buyers. But there are so many veterans out there that could take advantage of this property.
Hey, listen, today's November 6th? 5 days is Veterans Day. What better gift for a veteran than to go into escrow on a home at 3.75% interest on Veterans Day? I bet you're going to work at Veterans Day if somebody needs it, right?
Any day.
Wow, what a fun listing. This is super interesting. If you're interested in this home, get a hold of Mary Ness directly. She can get you all of the details on this transaction that's unique. There aren't a lot of these out there. There are definitely not a lot of these out there in Southern California.
Absolutely.
So super excited that you brought this in. Congrats on a cool listing.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sure it's going to sell. And if it's you that wants to buy it, get a hold of her. If this isn't the exact right house, she's the best at finding them. And we'll do this again soon, right?
We will, for sure.
And we'll do it with you too. Thank you for joining us again on Premier Listings.